In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google Calendar via email in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to give a coworker, family member, teammate, or assistant access to your schedule without having to manually send updates every time something changes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to invite someone, choose their permission level, and make sure they receive the calendar invitation by email. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com in your browser while signed into the Google account that owns the calendar you want to share. Once Google Calendar loads, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a section called My Calendars, and this is where all of your personal calendars are listed. Now find the specific calendar you want to share. If you have more than one calendar, make sure you choose the right one, because the sharing settings are applied to that exact calendar only. When you hover over the calendar name, you should see a three-dot More menu appear next to it. Click More, then choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the settings page for that calendar. On this page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Share with specific people or groups. This is the part you need if you want to share the calendar with one person by email instead of making it public. It's a great option when you want controlled access and privacy. Next, click Add People and Groups. A box will appear where you can type the email address of the person you want to invite. Enter their email carefully, because this is where Google Calendar will send the invitation. If you're sharing with multiple people, you can add more than one person or group depending on your needs. After entering the email address, choose their permission level. This part is important because it controls what they can do with your calendar. For example, you may want them to only see event details, or you may want them to be able to make changes and manage sharing. Choose the level that matches how much access you want to give. Once you've selected the permission level, click Send. Google Calendar will then send an email invitation to that person. When they open the email and accept the invitation, they'll get access to your calendar based on the permissions you selected. If they don't see the email right away, remind them to check their inbox, spam folder, or promotions tab. And that's it. You've now shared your Google Calendar via email. It's a fast and easy way to collaborate, stay organized, and keep everyone on the same page. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Google Calendar guides, tech tips, and step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.